Hello everyone, it is Chloe here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be something to do with makeup. Ooh, I haven't done a makeup video in a long time. I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine. Obviously by the title you have already seen that. This is what I basically do if I want to film a video for you guys or just want to go out with some friends. You know, if I'm not feeling like eyeshadow or anything, this is what I would do. So if you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching, my loves. Okay guys, so I think we're going to start with my face today just because obviously with the eye makeup it's very minimal. It's literally just mascara. I don't know what this little mountain loving family is doing on my face, so please ignore that. For primer today I'm going to be using this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer in Light. My dad's just dying in the other room, so that's great. So I'm just going to put this all over my face. And I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead. I don't need too much because, as you guys know, I don't really have a forehead. That's fun. And I actually am going to do my brows on camera. If you know me, I rarely do my brows on camera if I do a makeup tutorial. So, okay, I don't know what that was. We are going to just spritz my face just a little bit with the Smashbox primer water. That didn't get any of my face. Ew. Okay, we're done with that. We are done with that. Corey? What? Can you do me a favour? No. So, for foundation, today I'm dropping everything. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way. Always use this. Love this shit. This is in Pearl. Before I do that, I'm going to put some orange concealer on this little family of mountains. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange, I believe. So I'm just going to plop that on just because I don't want it there. Like, I do not want this family of pimples just sitting on my face. Okay? Okay. Wow, I look like shit. So, I ruined my beauty blender. And obviously, if I use this, it will get like bacteria and shit. So, I don't want to risk my skin getting any worse than it is. So, I got a set of 3 beauty blenders for Christmas from Mecca, I'm pretty sure. Obviously, if you saw my Christmas haul, you know that. But I just dampened this. And it's like still rock hard. And I'm just gonna say that it's like the first time. So, I have to like get used to it. But like, I don't know, so we'll see if this works. If not, I'll have to use like a brush. If my foundation looks like shit, I'm blaming this little orange little guy. Anyway, so foundation, I'm going to put some on the back of my hand. I'm going to get a flat paddle brush. Is that what they're called? Foundation brush? I don't even know what they're called anymore. And I'm just going to like paint my face. Like, this is a canvas and it needs to be covered as a base colour. So that's what we're doing. I prefer doing it this way. A lot of people just put their foundation on their beauty blender and blend. I prefer this way. I don't know, it's just what I do. So obviously you don't have to do it this way because everyone has different preferences. But this is what I do. And that's what I'm doing today, clearly. I'm going to put some on my little forehead. I remember back in the day, not really back in the day, it was like maybe, I don't know, half a year ago, my daily makeup routine was like orange eyeshadow. I still do that, but this is like my daily like stuff. If I don't want to wear eyeshadow, this is what I would do. Okay, so I'm basically just painting this on. I'm just painting it, I'm not blending it with this brush because you can hardly blend anything with the paddle brush. I'm also going a bit down my neck because you don't want to be that bitch. If I need to add more, I'll add more, but let's see if this beauty blender is going to work. It's like hurting my... I'm like violently bashing my skin. Okay, it's picking up more product than it is blending it into my skin. So I'm just going to use a brush. So I'm going to use this foundation brush. It looks like shit, whatever, but I'm just going to use it. Okay, I look dead. Wrong with me? Okay, well, this looks like absolute dog shit. Anyways, concealer. Too Faced Born This Way. This one is in Fairest. I'm going to use a bit of this on the high points of my face. So under the eyes, a bit on my forehead, a bit on my nose, and a little bit on my chin. Obviously, I would use a blush. I would obviously use a blue. Obviously for this step I would use a beauty blender, but I'm just going to use a brush today because I need to. So I'm just going to blend. How will I trust your feeling. How will I know? I don't know why I'm singing that. How will I know? Do, 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 do. How will I know? To set my face, I'm going to use my Coty Airspun. Ooh, I love this shit. I'm also going to put a little bit on my lid because obviously I'm not going to add any eyeshadow, so it's like coming back to use an eyeshadow. You want to say hola?
Hola.
Hi.
Oh god, not you.
Oh.
Okay, I look like Casper the Ghost. Wow, I love that. Okay, yeah, okay, wow. I'm going to do my eyebrows now, and then once I do my eyebrows, I'm going to like set the rest of my face kind of, which is the pressed powder. So let's do the brows because that's the most important thing, guys, okay? I'm going to be completely honest, since getting my hair done, I've been making my eyebrows like super dark for some reason, when in reality it should be lighter. When I do like bright colors with my foundation, wow, okay, with my hair, I don't really match it with my eyebrows. I never really do that ever. If they look a bit dark, I apologize. So I basically switch between a pomade and a pencil depending on my mood. The pencil I use is the sleek one. I can't even read it because the writing is in black and the actual container is black. Like, it's kind of stupid sleek, come on. So what I have been doing recently is like outlining in the pomade. I'm filling it in a little bit and then obviously going with the pencil, like filling in the blank bits or whatever beauty gurus say nowadays. I say this all the time, my eyebrows are literally the shittest thing ever. They're like so uneven, they're not twins, they're like long lost cousins that don't even turn up to a family function. So like, this is the NARS eye paint, so it's not even an eyebrow product, it's literally like an eyeshadow. I'll put the name on the screen. I can't pronounce this because I think it's in French. So I'm just gonna line the top of my brow and go down the arch however long I want to make it. I don't know. Look how dark it is. Like, it's a pretty dark product. This is much darker than my Anastasia. And I'm gonna line kind of the bottom as well. And obviously connecting the tail because that's what you do. I'm going to try and fade the front. In however many years I've been doing makeup, I still could not manage to fade the front of my brow. I can never do it, okay? I can never do it. It's just something that I know. Like, it's not a no. If it looks like shit, it's because it does. Okay, that's pretty good, right? Anyways, I don't know. So now I'm going to go into the pencil and basically just fill in like the the blank bits. And that is my brow done. That's a pretty good brow, right? I don't know, but I'm going to do the other one off camera because that took so long to do. So BRB, and I'll come back with another brow. And now I have eyebrows. The massive difference eyebrows can do. So this is the Australis Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder. I love this shit in natural. I'm just going to use a big floofy brush. So I want to contour now. Oh, take me home where I belong. Got a long place to go. Oh, take me home. So for contour today, I'm going to be using the designer brand's contour kit. I always goddamn use this. Obviously the center shade is going to be my contour. So now I'm going to bronze. I'm going to be using my Kardashian Beauty Cabana bronzer. Oh, that looks good. Yeah. So I think we might do some highlighter now. Ice Cold by Jeffree. Really, you're going to run out now. This is actually Ebony. She left it at my house. So, girl, soz. I gave it to her anyway, guys. So, don't, you know, be an asshole. I'm going to just highlight. Like, look. I'm just going to use a little bit on a smaller brush and do my Cupid's bow. And also my nose, because you guys know I love my nose highlight. Hello, that's a lot, isn't it? Shit. Okay, let me just blend that just a bit. Like, if I'm saying it's a lot of highlighter, it's a bit too much. Oh, now I need more. I'm just going to set my face with some setting spray because obviously I've used so much powder today. And it's about to run out. For mascara today, like always, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And I'm just going to coat my lashes. I have lashes. Recently I've just stuck with nudes, especially with this look, because it's so natural for me. Like, it's very natural for me. Because it's very natural, I just go with a nude lip, and lately I've been loving Christmas Cookie by Jeffree Star. It's an absolutely gorgeous shade. He has a whole shit ton of nudes, but because this is kind of recent, I love this color, and I'm like, whoo! And we're done. Oh, I love this look. If I do like feel kind of like up for it, I would put lashes on, but I'm not putting lashes on today. These are obviously my spidery ones, so if I am feeling like it, I would put these on. But that's basically it, guys. So everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. All my social media links are in the description box down below, like always, as well as all of these products are going to be in the description box as well. If you are new here, please subscribe because my crazy ass would love for you to join this little subscriber family we have. I'm going to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah!